Hi guys, welcome to the Cat King video series. Today we are here at Bellinkar Mumbai campus in conversation with Professor Bhagwati Prasad, who is Associate Dean for Healthcare Management Program. Welcome sir.
Thank you for inviting me for this.
So one very intriguing thing which about sir that kind of inspired is he's someone who comes from a BSc Physics background and now is the Dean for Healthcare Management. Sir, I would love to know more about this entire journey of this entire transition that you have been through.
Sure. So, from my background, I want to start. I come from a lower middle class background, and during my schooling, I was interested towards science. So that's where I took science subjects and ultimately did my BSc. I did my BSc in physics, mathematics, and statistics.
Wow. Okay.
And actually, immediately after doing my graduation, I got a job. And that job was in a bank, and in those years getting a job in bank was considered to be a very good thing.
Yes.
So everybody in the family was happy that I got a job, such a secure job in a bank, and I worked in a bank for a couple of months.
Okay.
But during that work I realized that I was not really happy doing that type of work. So something told me that I was not meant to do that work for life. Yes. And that's when I decided that I should study more and I need to study more. So that's when I took admission in MSc Physics, and all the bright students took admission in Physics department. So I also took admission in Physics department.
Okay, that's interesting. I think that's how what we also always do, no? But you have to learn to take certain important decisions in life is where we come to know that no, this is not meant for me. I'm not meant for this banking job. So let's leave it. Like for me, if I had to relate to it, when I was working with IT and I realized I don't want to be in IT anymore, and that's when I left that and then came in for an MBA field after that. So how was it being at MSc Physics then?
So MSc Physics was all right, but then again during MSc Physics also I realized one more thing, that I was studying the basics of science. Physics, chemistry, biology, these are considered basic sciences. And I was not completely happy. I wanted to apply what I had learned so far in some field, and that's when again I was looking at other opportunities, and I came to know about some field called biomedical engineering. So I applied for admissions in various places, including ITBHU, and got admission in MTech in biomedical engineering. Now, biomedical engineering is a field where all other sciences or engineering disciplines can be applied to solve medical problems. That is the overall definition of biomedical engineering as a domain. So I did my MTech in biomedical engineering because I wanted to apply the knowledge that I had acquired, and did my PhD in biomedical engineering. So that's when my shift from sort of basic sciences to applied sciences started. I went to US for 1.5 years or so and did my postdoctoral research there, and then came back to India and started my corporate journey.
Research was in what field?
So in IIT I was working on some sensors,
Okay.
Immunosensors for some early detection of some complications in pregnancy.
Okay.
In US I was working on a couple of projects. One of the projects was where in 2000 I was working on wearable sensors for continuous monitoring of some of the molecules in our body.
Interesting. So very diverse journey.
Yeah, I had a very diverse
physics to maths to stats, and then using all of them into biomedical. So what do you think? How is this entire medical devices, and that's what you teach also right now, right?
Right.
So what made you shift from corporate to education now?
Okay, so I worked in corporate once I returned from US for nearly 16-17 years. Most of the experience was in design and development of new instrument products. So that's where all my journey, as I said, in biomedical engineering, everything that I learned till my PhD and postdoctoral research was actually useful when I started working in biomedical engineering company. And I was also lucky to get a job in biomedical engineering. So all my 16-17 years of experience is in the domain of biomedical engineering. So I was involved in new product development. So for example, the skills that I developed for maths, so I never thought when I was studying, but the coordinate geometry or calculus, I could apply while doing calibration and calculation of results in my analysis.
Interesting. I really doubt any one of us actually think that we can ever use coordinate geometry in life further ahead apart from exams.
Yes, or similarly calculus we find it very difficult during graduation, but I could apply that in real life. Similarly, I could apply physics because I was doing product development which involved optics, fluidics, robotics. So those principles that I had learned in physics I could now apply while doing product development, which were complex products. Similarly, the things that I learned in statistics, now I could apply in designing of experiments, evaluation of new products, analyzing data. So those skills were useful.
So basically, when you say working in biomedical devices or healthcare, it's not just about working in pharma and hospitals. Like there's a lot of other things which comes as a part of it.
True. So most of the people think that when we say healthcare, it is primarily about hospitals.
Yeah.
Actually, even pharma, many people are not aware. So most people think it's only about hospitals and that too clinical work.
Yeah.
So the healthcare sector involves various segments within it. Hospital is one part, of course, and it's a major part. After that, pharmaceutical industry is there, medical device industry is there, diagnostics industry is there, and healthcare IT and health insurance. These are the other segments within healthcare, and it's not just about hospitals.
That's interesting. That's a lot of diversity and everything. So what do you teach out of this entire thing?
I teach medical device and technology management is one of the subjects here.
Okay.
And you were asking some question about the medical devices specifically.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So all of us in our homes have a lot of medical devices. First of all, what is a medical device? So I would simply define, I'm giving a simple definition of medical device. Medical device is anything that can be useful for medical purposes,
Okay.
but which is not a drug.
Okay.
Anything that can be used for medical purposes, but
But
which
it's
is
not a drug.
but is not a drug, is a medical device. So I can give some examples of many medical devices that we have at home, but maybe we don't realize. So for example, from preventive health point of view, a toothbrush or a dental floss that we use is a medical device. From diagnostics point of view, many of us may have a glucometer at home or a blood pressure meter or a weighing scale.
Yeah, okay.
Is a medical equipment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never thought that weighing scale would also be a medical equipment.
Some of us may have a pregnancy detection kit. It's at home. It's a medical device. The hot water bottle
Okay.
that we have, Band-Aid that we have. These are examples of. There are a lot of things in medical. The asthma inhaler, though it contains the medicine. Medicine part is of course the pharmaceutical drug, but the device that you use to take the medicine, the puff, that's a medical device. So the spacer is a medical device. So there are many devices. Spectacles are medical devices.
Okay.
In terms of implants, if you have some elderly who have gone through, let's say, who had some artificial knee or artificial hip, those are examples of implantable medical devices. Some elderly may have hearing aids,
Yeah.
or if somebody has met some accident, wheelchair or walker or walking stick. These are also, there are a lot of variety of medical, and these are common examples that we may find at home.
In our day-to-day lives. Okay, interesting. So if someone's looking forward to work in the healthcare industry, do you think they need to have a background in that before?
I will say preferably they should have either an educational degree which is related to healthcare. So that could be life sciences degree, BSc Life Science, pharmaceutical, or physiotherapy, MBBS, BDS, or any other degree in Ayush, biomedical engineering, of course, and so on. So things which are related to life sciences or healthcare will directly help. So if you don't have any work experience, then I will say it's preferable that you have education in healthcare related backgrounds. But if you don't have background in healthcare, your degree in healthcare related subjects, but if you have work experience, then also I will say. So somebody has done, let's say, BCom and then moved to pharmaceutical industry and has a couple of years of experience, then I'll say still he or she would be a good candidate for healthcare. So either you should have experience or you should have educational background.
So
then I'll say those are,
that.
so you
So
can
that becomes
understand.
more
Those
clear for you to what you're studying.
Right.
Okay, that's interesting. So when they're studying out here for the healthcare and projects and everything, so they get internships and projects. How are they what kind of exposure do you get?
So in PGDM Healthcare at Wellinger Institute of Management, we have 50% of the curriculum is same as the PGDM core.
Okay.
So we ensure that they get general management skills same as the work,
Along with,
along with others and at par with general management students. And remaining 50% of the curriculum is to provide them domain knowledge. And we make sure that we provide them knowledge about hospitals, how hospitals work, pharmaceutical industry works, how insurance industry works, how medical device industry works, how healthcare IT works, and then data analytics is additional part that we have in the curriculum. So they learn data analytics as well.
Interesting. So this kind of gives a different perspective and a broader view to what the entire healthcare industry captures. So for all the people who have any more doubts or questions specific to what you can do and are you a fit for this industry, if you are passionate to work in here, you can always drop in on the comments and we will definitely talk further ahead about that. Thank you so much, sir.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Cat King.